We're here in the Gazebo by Lee Cafe. This is their salad. Nami lang sauce. Pork binagoongan. Nami gid. Pork Vietnamese roll. Murag wala rin difference sa tong Filipino lumpia ba?
Lumpia ka Shanghai.
Mura Shanghai. Pork sisig. Lami lang pork sisig. Beef quesadilla. Okay lang. For our drinks, we have cucumber lemonade. Lami. That's it. Thank you.